All right, so today we're gonna make green poblanos. I think they're all green. I don't know why I said it was green, but that's cool sounding, green poblanos. So actually it's gonna be Italian sausage, onion, corn stuffed inside my green poblanos, and then I'm gonna smoke them. These are raw, so they've just been sliced in half, and I'm gonna smoke them in my smoker. Well, it's not really a smoke because it's gonna be more of a cook. It'll be about 275 degrees until the shells get soft. So what I did over here is I took the Italian sausage, I kind of chopped it up into halves or full pieces, and I took some corn and some onion and just cooked it in the pan a little bit because I don't believe that the sausage would fully cook in the smoker the same amount of time that the poblano shells would soften. So this is kind of pre-cooked. It's not 100% pre-cooked, there's some pieces that are slightly pink still. And then, so basically I'm gonna take this, stuff it in these shells, and then we're gonna stick some mozzarella cheese on top of it, but I think we're gonna do that actually after it's been in the smoker for a little bit, because otherwise the cheese will be completely burnt by then. So it's gonna be like a cook for 25, probably 30 minutes, and then we'll throw on the cheese after that, let it melt, and then they'll be ready to eat. So basically this is how this is gonna work. It's kind of hard for you to see from over there, but basically you're gonna take these shells, they're kind of cut out. I took all the insides out of them, and then I'm just gonna take this stuffing and I'm gonna shove it in there as well as I can. I'm making a huge mess over here. I'm a professional chef. This is what I do professionally, right next to my Cisco gear. My wife thinks I'm hilarious as I'm filling them up, probably because I'm doing a stellar job. I mean, dude, this is it. This is so good. I wish I could put it right here and I'd show you guys what I'm doing, but you know, I gotta stand in front of what I'm working on. So, to be honest with you, I'm grabbing mostly the sausage because I'm a huge fan of meat. No jokes there, no jokes, don't say it. I know you're thinking it. Stay clean. Okay, so I'm constantly filling these things up. I need to do this with more than one hand. I almost feel like I need to open them up a little bit and shove that stuff in there like that. Look at this shell. Like it's so rebellious.
I hope you wash your hands.
So next time I do this, I'm gonna wash my hands first, and then you gotta pay attention to that hygiene when you're you know, cooking. You don't want anything bad in your food. All right, well this poblano, I think it's turning out pretty good. Yeah, that's basically all of it. So
let's see it.
Stuff those bad boys. So that's basically all of it, and this is what it's gonna look like. I can't really rotate it because it'll fall off on the ground and it'll ruin it. I'm gonna stick it on a foil covered man-made pan, like not a production pan, like a man-made pan. It's gonna be just a folded up piece of foil, and then I'll put them in the smoker. Okay, so I got a folded up foil pan. I'm just gonna use this to carry it out there because I wanna put them on this, and then I'm just gonna slide them off onto the grill. I'm just gonna take these guys, try to keep them from falling apart. Don't fall apart. Dang it. No. I'm just talking to myself in case you guys are wondering. There's nobody behind the camera. Okay, so we're gonna take these out to the smoker. It's Pit Boss smoker. Stand up. I'm just gonna slide this right in there as fast as possible. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my fancy Pit Boss outdoor oven. Actually, it's a smoker. You see multiple shelves. Cheapest smoker you can get at Lowe's. Basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this, try not to get burned because the stupid door closes on me, and I'm just gonna slide it in on one of these. Okay, so this was the goal here. Okay, I'm trying to do this without burning myself. There we go. I'm gonna get my makeshift. This is it. In case you guys need them, you can buy these. They're Walmart or something. No. I didn't bring my hot pad out here. It's probably not the right tool to use. All right, that's it. 275 degrees. Okay, so it's been cooking actually longer than the original. I said 25 to 30 minutes. We actually have it in for 45. But what we're gonna do next is pull this out a little bit, and we're gonna spread some cheese on it. So you can already see, if you get closer to the poblanos, gosh, I'm gonna your eyes so that you can see the poblanos are definitely softer. So now what we're gonna do is we just wanna get this cheese to melt. So I got some shredded mozzarella, and I'm just gonna gently stick it on there like this. Try not to get it outside of the pan because I hate cleanup. Melt, right? I'm not gonna do a ton because cheese is super high in fat. and so is Italian sausage. So less fat the better, really. So I'm just adding more fat. It just gets good flavor. Cheese makes everything taste better. I'm wasting cheese because I'm getting it not on the poblanos. Put it in the pan instead. All right, we're just gonna push it back in. I'm guessing that'll melt in 5 minutes. Okay, so we put this mozzarella cheese on, and it's been about 5 minutes. It's got to be melted enough. I don't know if I really care anymore. Now I just want to eat it. Oh, it's gonna make me cry. Because it's amazing looking. No, actually because the smoke's burning my eyes. Look at that. Oil's so cold. It's not even, look at that, look at that, look at that. Slide it. Bro. I just ripped my peppers. Let's go inside the house. And we're gonna check these out over here. So basically the poblanos are done. I actually cooked them quite a bit because look at this, just like literally ripped off when I pulled it out on accident. Cheese has been melted, so it's nice and ready to eat actually. So there you go, 6 poblanos, well 3 poblanos sliced in half, 6 pieces, basically a pound or pound and a half of Italian sausage, corn, onion, and we smoked it for 45 minutes at 275 degrees. We stuck the cheese on after that and then did it for another 5 minutes and now they're ready.